Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, November 1st, 2024. Happy November. I hope you're having a great start to the new month. I'm headed over to the soap shop and I thought I'd do a video and talk to you quickly about Cash Building System Unlimited and what an awesome program I think it is. I have some postcards here that will be going out later this afternoon. And if you can put a stamp and a peel and stick address label on a postcard, you can make this opportunity work, okay? Now, you can promote this online and or offline. I do both. You know, those that follow me know that I like to make videos and I like to share this on my social media platforms. Really, I just use Facebook and YouTube. But then I also mail the postcards out. And, you know, I'll use drop cards sometimes or mail flyers. But I'm really into the postcards. You know, direct mail is still a really great opportunity. It still works. It's still, in my opinion, the number one way to get eyeballs onto your whatever it is that you're sharing with others. It just simply flat out works, okay? And but the key to it is staying consistent. All right, you can't just mail out 100 postcards or 200 postcards and then not get a response in the first week and then quit. All right, which is unfortunately what a lot of people do because they're seeking, you know, they want to get rich overnight, and that just, it doesn't work that way. But I've had postcards where I've sent out and then months later, I'll get a sign up from a postcard, you know? So you just have to stay consistent like anything else in life. If you want to be good at it, you got to just stay consistent. I mean, you know, if you can only afford to mail out 100 postcards a week, then mail out 100 postcards a week, but do it every single week. And over time, you will get results. All right. Now, if you want to come in and share this opportunity just online, you can do that as well. You know, whatever works for you, but just stay consistent with it. Okay. And postcards still work 100%. There's no doubt about that. But I love Cash Building System because we have a two-phase compensation plan. Okay, so everybody joins at phase number 1, which is $50. You get a nice marketing kit with that. It includes 200 postcards and 200 peel and stick address labels. Now, these are opportunity-seeking address labels. These are people who have requested more information on work from home opportunities. All right, so it's not just like 200 random people, you know, that they just pick out of thin air. These are people who have actually opted into different web forms online, looking for ways to make money on, you know, from home, basically work from home opportunities. So you get 200 postcards, 200 labels. It's $50 to get started. Now, when you go and refer people, and by the way, you can use these leads for whatever you want to, okay? So you can mail out the postcards and then, you know, photocopy the leads and use them for other businesses, or you can use them however you wish. Now, once you join phase 1, you're going to get a referral number. Mine is 5403. You're going to get your own. You start sharing this opportunity with other people. And when you bring people into phase number 1, you're going to earn $25 fast start bonuses. All right. For each person you refer at phase 1, you're going to earn a $25 fast start bonus. Now, the bigger money gets up in when you join phase 2. And in phase 2, you can get in on level 1. There's 8 different levels. You can get in level 1 for $100. And when you join at level 1, not only are you going to earn the $25 referral commissions in phase 1, but now you're going to earn $70 commissions on everyone who joins you at level 1. All right. And the cool thing about this is that on top of making money from the people that you bring in, you're going to make money on those people that you bring in. Okay. So I got some people in our shop here, so I'm just going to stop right here. So you're going to make money on everybody that you refer and everybody that they refer. All right, so it's super powerful. You're going to get the fast start bonuses up front, and then you're going to earn residual income on the back. And on top of all that, we have spillover bonuses. We have upgrade bonuses. We're building the residual income. I mean, it's just an awesome opportunity. Again, if you can take a peel and stick label and put it on a postcard and then put a stamp up here and take this down to the mailbox, you can make this opportunity work. All right, so click the link down below this video, mailboxmoneyempire.com. Go to that site, enter your name and email address, see how the system works. There's 2 videos there to watch. It'll take you less than 20 minutes, and it'll give you a complete, full understanding of how all this works. All right, it's super easy to do. If you're looking to replace your income or supplement your income, Cash Building System Unlimited is something to check out. So with that being said, I hope you have a great first day of the new month. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.